Hello, today I am going to show you how to change payment method on Netflix. First, you need to sign in into your account and select Manage Payment Info. Some payment options will direct you to their website to complete the update process. Add payment method. Add payment information. You can choose if you want to use your credit or debit card. You just need to enter your payment details here. For example, your name, last name, card number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip code. Also, for PayPal, you need to set up your payment. You just have to click Continue PayPal. They will ask for a one-time code. You need to fill in here, or you can cancel and return to Netflix.com. It's up to you. Now, after the code, they will ask for a password. So click Login with password here. Now, for PayPal as your payment method or provider, all you have to do is to fill in your information here, your name, your last name, your card number, and so on. Now, please do recheck before you click Add. So that's it. This is how you can change your card's details on Netflix or your payment method on Netflix. Find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and tutorials.